Nganza kwethu asikwazi ukuthi singalokhu siyibuze sonke ukuthi ke yini imbangelo okanye yini ingxabano engaka isisuka phi manje ingxabano engaka kwiqembu leEFF kwenziwa yini uma Lema afuna ukuxosha izithenjwa zakhe ezinkulu uNdlozi kanye noFloyd kwenziwa yini uma Lema ngabe sabanandaba noFloyd njengamanje ke njengamaswidi Media Productions sesihlanganise nayo ivideo eziqephu ehlukahlukene nangezinto uma Lema akhuluma ngazo athi ke zimcike kakhulu ozoyikhumbula nje oqala uphinde waveza ukuthi unkosikazi kaNdlozi ulike ipost kaFloyd lapho khona uFloyd kade ethi isinqumo sokujoyina umkhonto wesizwe sona isinqumo esihle kunazo zonke akeke ayithathe empelweni yakhe kodwa ke akavezanga ukuthi ke ukhuluma ngonkosikazi kaNdlozi ngqo kepha ke ugudle igquma ubeke sephinde veza ke ukuthi ke khona ilunga lomkhonto wesizwe lamtshela ukuthi abaholi beEFF babe usizo olukhulu kakhulu ngathi ke kune debate eParliament kanti ke waphinde waveza ukuthi ke lokho kwamcika uthi futhi uyabazi labo bantu ufuna behambe eqenjini lakhe njengoba kuzomuzwa uphinde futhi uyibonele ukuthi ke ubani labo bantu abasiza umkhonto wesizwe kuNdlozi owasiza ke uDr okanye ke uJudge Hlophe enkathi ke ebhekene noMcKenzie kanti ke futhi noFloyd Jivambu waphinde wabingelela upresident okanye uformer president Jacob Zuma ngicela ukuthi ke uyizwele zonke lezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo.
We don't speak any other language except the EFF. One of the leaders of the MKP told me in Parliament that the EFF, some of the EFF leaders were so helpful, you know, the way they welcomed us, the way they helped us here in Parliament, it was as if they are members of MKP. And I said, oh, which ones? Oh, that's good, which ones? I was given a list of those that welcomed them. And they, for a second, MKP thought these people were members of MKP.
Thank you very much, House Chairperson. Commander-in-Chief, in the struggle for total economic emancipation in the entire African continent, the leadership of the Progressive Caucus here in the 7th Parliament, let me do what should have been done by now and acknowledge the presence of former President Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma in our presence here in Parliament today.
How can someone think I'm a member of another organization?
The judge has written a thesis when he was on the bench, attacking Roman Dutch law.
Honorable Ndlozi.
Your illiteracy is not going to help us.
Can you please sit down?
This judge has
Ndlozi.
written papers against Roman Dutch law
Ndlozi,
when he
please
was
sit
on
down?
the bench.
Can you take the art?
You come here and you lie. You lie. This judge spoke about decolonization of the law from the bench. Don't lie here, man. Must read extensive, well-researched papers that are peer-reviewed. Yes, yes. And he didn't say anything about sports, about arts. He gets there.
Honorable.
Ubulela ka drongo kwa batho ba batla ho tseba what's going to happen about the arts.
Honorable Ndlozi.
It's clear that you have not been with us. You have been with them. We have nothing against what those people are doing. Even those who left the EFF, when we arrived there in Parliament, we'll debate on the same side with them like we did now recently with Mutletama and Sipombata who come from the EFF. When we found them in the MKP, we're never hostile to MKP because it has got members or former members of the EFF. We worked with them in Parliament. The same way we're going to work with these ones. Our friendship will start and end on that platform called Parliament. Outside that, Sitle, the president of the Student Command, you are right. We have no progressive caucus anywhere. We have no progressive caucus in the universities. We have no progressive caucus in our communities. We have the EFF Student Command and the EFF. Progressive caucus in Parliament, in legislature, in councils, it ends there. When we leave those places, we assume our full independence as organization and confront each other toe for toe, because we are in contest for power, all of us. Comrades, we have made it very clear that as we live here today, we are going.
How can someone say the decision to join Umkhonto weSizwe is the best decision ever taken, and my wife Mantra is the first one to like such a thing, and you say Julius Malema is with us, when the partner likes the things that seeks to denounce the organization and where the organization stands, where the relatives, where the cousins and siblings have declared where they stand, and you still ask yourself, where does this leader stand? Look at those around him and you will know where this leader stands. Comrades,